Hello guys, it's Adam here. Today I am going to unbox this Fifine K669B, and I can't use the flash because it's low battery, but I had to unbox this because I have to upload a video every 3 to 4 days, and that's why I'm quite in a rush. But let's unbox it. Let's open this glory microphone that only costed me like $30. Let's try to open this up. Come on. I don't want to open with damage. Oh, I have to open with another tab. They have to make one, but they don't make on the up and down, which is quite odd. But I'm just gonna try to open this, and now I can open this. Let's try. Just open these tabs, like open like this, and then we got this microphone user's guide. And this is my microphone. It's quite size, and it's hot because this is like just delivered for like a few minutes already. And I'm going to try to open this and connect it. And sorry for that noise. This is cheap, $30. It's cheap for a microphone, but quite expensive if you are just a YouTuber that is like trying to start their YouTube career. And when they end their YouTube career, this thing is basically like worthless. I can open this like 3. I can open like individual of these. I can open these 2 and close this one. And I'm going to try to open this, like try to lever it up. Oh, this fit. I think it's extended. Why? I don't know. Oh, I don't know why it's like this, but let's try putting it in on the top. Now, if you were laugh at my videos, try to cry at my videos. I think you're still laughing because this is just a cheap, only like $30 microphone, or 120 ringgit. I bought it like 140 ringgit, or like $30, and like 30 point something dollars. And basically like 1 ringgit is a quarter. $1 is 4 ringgit. You know it. I think I already put it, and I try to spin the feet instead of the unit. Put them already. I'll try to unbox this. I'm not a king of unboxing. I am just like the beginner of unboxing. And my parents think this is expensive since I live in Malaysia, and Malaysia is like not a rich country. So like Singapore, if Americans think like if you think that countries like Malaysia and Singapore is rich, you'll be wrong. And that's it. My GoPro's already here, and I don't know how to adjust it, but the feet's quite wobbly though. And try to open this. Okay, I think this is already like an okay microphone. It's not like super expensive, and I have to keep stabilized. And the feet is like quite problematic, the feet, but that's okay. There's this knob that I don't have on this webcam, and I'm gonna install it to my computer. Okay, so we're here, and I'm going to add audio input. Create new. This great microphone. Let's say 15. And yes, USB PNP audio device. Okay. Oh, you can adjust it. I'll try to compare this and my old one. Okay, so this is the old webcam, like the new webcam microphone. I named this before I got this microphone, of course. And audio is like quite bad, even for small YouTubers. Like I don't know what to say. You can buy very cheap microphones, like super cheap. Let's see if you're a very poor person and just save money for like a few days. So for that, let's move into the new microphone. Okay, so this is the new Fifine K669B discrete microphone. I bought this because it's like the low profile version of Fifine T669. But I bought the K669B because it's much cheaper and it like functions the same. I also don't buy the T669B because of two reasons. One, my parents don't want me to buy anything more than $40 or 160 ringgit. And also, my table is like built in such a way that I can't even hook my Logitech G29 properly. Like, I bet that this this T669 can't like install that properly because it clamps the same way as like the Logitech G29. And also, if you are a poor person, just save money for like days. If let's say if you are homeless and know how to operate the PC, it may take you a few years to save for this microphone. Trust me, it's better than what you find. Like, it is still better than the integrated microphone or none at the old Windows 2000 or Windows XP laptop. And remember, buy this thing used if you cannot afford it. And this is a poor or rich microphone. That means if you're poor or rich, just buy this microphone because it has the best value. As I said before, buy it used because it's much better than any new microphone. So for that, thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.